Struggling with math? Don't worry, here are some smart tips and tricks to help you study actually start enjoying it.
Understand the concepts. Maths isn't about memorizing formulas, it's about understanding how and why they work. Start by reviewing your textbook or class notes. Focus on the why behind each step. Second, practice every day. Practice makes perfect. Set aside 30-60 minutes daily to solve problems. Start with easy ones, then move to advanced questions. Third one, focus on weak areas. Okay, don't skip the tough topics. Identify which chapters you are weak in and spend more time mastering them. Fourth, solve previous year papers. Past papers are gold. They help you understand the questions pattern and improve your time management. Fifth, use tricks and shortcuts. Learn Vedic math techniques or mental math tricks for faster calculations. This can save you valuable time in exams. Sixth, teach someone else. If you can explain a topic clearly to someone else, you truly understand it. Teaching is a powerful revision tool. Seventh, break big problems into small steps. That means big problems can feel overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Solve one part at a time and it gets easier. Eighth, create a formula sheet. That means make your own formula sheet. Writing them down helps you remember and having a quick reference saves time during revision. Ninth, use online resources. That means there are tons of free resources like my channel, that is @notebook maths, that helps you explain concepts in fun and simple ways. 10th, stay positive and don't fear mistakes. Means don't be scared to get it wrong. Mistakes are part of learning. Every error teaches you something valuable. 11th, join a study group. Sometimes a friend can explain something in a way that just clicks. Study groups keep you motivated and help you understand problems from different angles. 12th, reward yourself. Means set study goals and reward yourself when you hit them. It keeps your motivation high and makes studying less of a chore. Mastering math isn't about being a genius. It's about being consistent, curious and confident. You have got this. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Comment below your biggest challenge in maths. Thank you for watching.